that if you have a bike, you have to pay more attention, and so maybe the pedestrian was more right, I think.
Right. So because the pedestrian was looking at their phone.
Yeah, it's not good when you are walking, but it happens. So
no, I think you have to look around because the phone is it's dangerous, and I have the opposite opinion because I'm also a driver with the car, and I have this opinion that people who walk or across the street, they have to look because for a driver it's too much. You have to look everywhere, and sometimes it can happen that people don't look and across the street, but they have also responsibilities. I don't know how to say, but yeah.
Yes. And do you think then that, for example, some people say that a cyclist must have insurance when they ride their bike on the street? Do you think it should be compulsory?
In this period is necessary, I think, because many people ride the bike, and it's necessary some rules for also these kind of people.
I have these rules for the bicycles, and I think they are important. And yes, we know the rules also for the bicycle. It's the same like the driver.
Yes.